What if the world's most popular messaging app, with over 1 billion users, could instantly connect all of them to crypto? No clunky apps, no complicated wallets. Just open Telegram, and payments, games, and digital ownership are at your fingertips. That is the big idea behind Toncoin, the cryptocurrency powering the open network, also known as Ton. Some believe Ton could be the key to bringing crypto into the mainstream. But is this project truly revolutionary, or just another overhyped token? Let's break it down. The big vision first. Let's talk about why Ton even exists. Most blockchains today face a huge problem. They are either too slow, too expensive, or just too complicated for the average person. Imagine trying to explain MetaMask to your parents. Chances are they would give up in 5 minutes. Toncoin takes a different approach. Instead of building a blockchain and hoping people show up, Ton integrates directly into Telegram, an app over 1 billion people already use every day. The mission is to make crypto so simple that sending Toncoin feels exactly like sending a text message. A quick backstory. Here is something interesting. Ton was not just some random community project. It actually started inside Telegram back in 2018. Telegram's founders wanted to build a blockchain for their app, but regulators stepped in, and Telegram had to officially walk away. Instead of dying, the project became community-led under the TON Foundation. Fast forward to today, Telegram is once again supporting Ton by adding wallets, games, and payment tools directly inside the app. So in a way, Ton is a comeback story. A blockchain born inside Telegram, paused by regulators, and revived by the community. How Ton works. At its core, Ton uses proof of stake, meaning people who hold Toncoin help secure the network and earn rewards. But the real magic is in its dynamic sharding system. Imagine a busy highway. As more cars join, traffic slows down. Most blockchains are like a 2-lane road that quickly gets jammed. Ton, however, is like a highway that automatically adds more lanes when traffic increases. This allows it to process over 55,000 transactions per second, far more than Bitcoin or Ethereum, and for less than a penny each. This speed and scalability are what make Ton practical for mass adoption. If Telegram's 1 billion users start making payments or using apps, TON can handle it. Real use cases inside Telegram. So, what can you actually do with Toncoin? Here is where things get exciting. Payments. Ton Wallet is built directly into Telegram. Users can buy crypto with Apple Pay or Google Pay and send it instantly in chats. Imagine tipping your favorite creator or splitting a dinner bill, all inside Telegram. Gaming. Viral projects like Notcoin onboarded millions of Telegram users into crypto by turning simple tap-to-earn games into Ton-powered experiences. Decentralized services. Ton is not just about payments. It is also building things like Ton DNS, a blockchain version of website names, decentralized storage, and even identity solutions. Think about it like this. Telegram could become more than just a messaging app. It could be an entire Web3 super app powered by Toncoin. The challenges and risks. But it is not all sunshine and rainbows. Ton faces some serious challenges. First, token distribution. A large percentage of Toncoin is still controlled by early holders and whales. This creates the risk of centralization and price manipulation. Second, adoption is not guaranteed. Just because Telegram has 1 billion users does not mean all of them will use Toncoin. Remember Facebook's Libra project? Huge audience, but it failed due to lack of trust and regulation. Third, regulatory risk. Because Ton is tied so closely to Telegram, it could attract government scrutiny, especially in countries that are not friendly to crypto. So while the upside is huge, investors should remember the risks. The future outlook. Here is the big question. Where could Ton be in the next 5 years? The Ton Foundation has a bold goal, to bring 500 million people into crypto by 2028. That is 500 million users. If even a fraction of Telegram's base starts using Toncoin for payments, gaming, and services, it could become one of the most widely used blockchains in the world. But success depends on one thing: real adoption. If Toncoin becomes the default way to pay and play inside Telegram, it could truly be a game changer. If not, It risks being just another promising project that never fully takes off. Toncoin is not trying to be just another crypto. It is trying to turn Telegram, an app you already use, into a gateway to Web3. Fast payments, fun games, creator tools, decentralized storage, all powered by Ton. Will it succeed? That depends on whether Telegram's billion users actually take the leap. But one thing is clear. If any project has the potential to bring crypto into the hands of everyday people, Toncoin might just be it.